Hi, this is the Huawei MEDIAPAD T5 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first we should open the control panel and here you'll see all of the available options. If you want to add the new options or remove some of these available icons or just to change their positions of the panel, you should click here to this edit one and here you'll see this down section with invisible options. To add them to your panel, you should just hold the icon and drag it. To remove some of them from here by the same way, hold the icon and drag it to this down section. To reset the changes, just click to reset and confirm your action, or just to save the changes, click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.